প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি তোমরা সকলেই ভালো আছো, আমিও ভালো আছি। আজকে আমরা অষ্টম শ্রেণীর ইংলিশ ফর টুডে বই থেকে ইউনিট 7 এর একটি লেসন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। আশা করি তোমরা যদি আমার সাথে থাকো তাহলে উপকৃত হবে। চলো আমরা মূল আলোচনায় ফিরে যাই। Here is the introduction of teacher and the classes. I am Saiful Islam, senior English teacher, SSR High School and College, Ashulia Shawar, Dhaka. And today I am going to discuss about lesson 1 of unit 7 from English for Today book of class 8. Dear students, now look at the picture and discuss in pairs. What can you see in the picture? I think you can tell the answer. In picture 1, we can see the image of a necklace and a well-dressed lady with some ornaments. Yes, you have rightly spoken. Here is some images. Can you guess what are the images about? Yes, these are the images of gems or pearls. Yes, our today's lesson is about pearls. So our today's lesson is pearls and it is from unit 7 lesson 1 of class 8. Learning outcomes, that means what we shall learn after completing the lesson. After completing the lesson, the students will be able to ask and answer questions, listen for information, read and understand text through reading and fill in the gaps. Now let's learn some words meaning. Mythology, its Bengali meaning is Pauranik Kahini. Its synonyms are folklore, tradition, mythos, lore, etc. Word in use. Pearls have been mentioned in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. Ancient, its Bengali meaning is Prachin or Puratan. Its synonyms are olden, primeval, age-old, earliest. Words in use. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. Dissolve, its Bengali meaning is Dravibhuto Hawa or Gole Jawa. Its synonyms are melt, liquefy and thaw. Word in use. Pearls were dissolved in warm water in ancient time. Status, its Bengali meaning is position. Synonyms are rank, position, standing, grade, station. Word in use. Pearls were considered as the sign of status in ancient Rome. Unparalleled, its Bengali meaning is Apratidwandi. Its synonyms are supreme, unmatched, incomparable, beyond compare. Word in use. Pearls were thought unparalleled to the Romans. Association, its Bengali meaning is Sanjukta or Jorito or Shomiti. Its synonyms are connotation, overtone, suggestion, reminder. Word in use. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. Delicate, synonym is subtle, faint, slight, gentle, elusive, soft, and its Bengali meaning is Shukha or Komal. Word in use. It is too delicate for a woman. Now let's read the text and answer the questions that follow. While reading, you can also observe the images. Thousands of years ago, the first pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearl with its shine has been one of the mostly highly valued gems. That means pearls have shining quality. That's why it has so much value. The ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. The Greeks thought the pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. At that time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearl necklaces. The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. Now, look at the questions. I think you can answer them. When were the pearls discovered by the ancient people? Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, thousands of years ago, the pearls were discovered by the ancient people. Question 2. Where have the pearls been mentioned? Yes, the pearls have been mentioned in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. Good. What did the Egyptians do with pearls? Can anyone give the answer? Yes. The Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with pearls. Number 4 question. Why did the knights wear pearls? The knights used to wear pearls for good luck. I think you can write the answer in your exercise book. In section C, there is a table and you will have to give some information. I am just giving you some hints. The ancient Egyptians wore pearls when or where. The Greeks wore pearls when or where. The ancient Romans wore pearls when or where. The brave knights wore pearls when or where. So you can also write the answer in your exercise book. Now read the following text and fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The history of pearls is very long. When human beings were looking for dash. Can you guess any word? Yes, I think there will be food. Looking for food. They first saw pearl at the seashore. Pearl is actually highly valued gems, or you can use precious gem. We also dash. Can you guess the word? Yes, we also get, or you can use find the name of pearls in different religious books and in the mythologies. It was greatly related, or you can use associated with love, marriage, wealth and social status. Now let's check our answer. Answer A is food, B precious, C find, D the, and the A is related. Your homework is to read the text well and practice the exercise from the related model questions, and I think this will help you for the preparation in the coming exam. Thank you very much for staying with me. Allah Hafiz.